Guys, today we're taking a look at a John Deere D130 with a 42-inch deck. Both headlights work. It's got a 22 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. Showing 318 hours on the meter, 317.9. I mentioned we've got a 22 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. This engine has been fully serviced. The machine has been serviced. It has a 42-inch deck on it. The deck's a little beat up. The deck is missing the chute. The seat's in good shape. No signs of rips or tears or anything like that. Got a cubby here to put all your stuff. Cup holder, adjustable seat. Here's your ignition switch. Here's headlights on. Here's cruise control set. We've got forward and reverse pedals. This lever engages the deck. Over here is your reverse mowing option. If you want to keep the deck on while you go in reverse, you need to push that button before you start backing up. Hood's got a few scuffs on it, but is in good shape otherwise. It's got a new deck belt on it. On this side, we've got the brake. Here's your parking brake set. This is your throttle, as well as choke. In order to choke it, whenever you want to start the engine when it's cold, you push that all the way up to choke. And then here's your deck height setting adjustment. This machine is low hour. It starts right up. It runs as it should. If you're interested in this machine, if you'd like to take it for a spin or take it home, feel free to reach out to us. All of our contact details are in the information below. Hey, thanks for watching.